Hello everyone! I'm sitting here all cozy next to my sweet smoky girl, my kitty cat. I love you, kitty. Anyway, I was just about to... Okay, first off, it is Sunday, looking hot mess. I realized that for last Sunday's video that I filmed, my meal prep video, I did not film an intro. So here's my intro. I am meal prepping for the week and I want to show you guys what I meal prepped. So I hope you enjoy this video. Meal prepping for a very successful week on Weight Watchers. So I hope y'all enjoy, find these recipes very helpful, and continue to watch because throughout this week I will show y'all what I eat in a day. And I've filmed a handful already, so very excited to start posting more frequently. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. All right, this week I wanted something pretty filling, high protein, and very delicious for dinner time. So I got the Barilla, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, Protein Plus noodles. Here are the macros. This has a pretty good amount of protein in it. I will post up on the screen the points per serving. So a bit of higher points, but you do get a pretty good amount of pasta for the serving. Then I'm going to go in with the 99% lean ground turkey. This is 0 points. And I was going to start off with 1 pound, but you'll see in just a bit that I went in with 2 pounds. And what I end up doing is splitting, not in half, but I get probably about 25% of it or whatnot, and make some ground turkey taco meat with it so I can use it for my Trader Joe's salads that I got. They are delicious. Y'all are going to see those throughout this week's what I eat in a day videos. They're so good. I highly recommend them. A lot of people do not like the 99% like the fat-free ground turkey because it is a kind of dry compared to the other kind. But what I like to do is I spray a little bit of the olive oil on it, and olive oil is really good. It's really good for your body, and I do not count it in points. I still am seeing results even when I spray just a little bit of olive oil on it to kind of moisturize the meat just a bit. I do use this sauce, the Classico tomato and basil sauce. This has to be one of my all-time favorite, like, pasta sauces, spaghetti sauces, whatever you want to call it. It's so good, so I'm going to let that simmer, reduce the heat just a little bit. I have already taken a portion of the meat out and made some of the mix some taco seasoning with it. I use the salt-free kind, the Mrs. Dash kind, and it's so good. So this right here is the Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse seasoning, which Amanda Lewis, if you guys are not following her on YouTube, definitely do so because she is my favorite, one of my favorite YouTubers. She always talks about how amazing this seasoning is, and I had to pick it up, and it is so good. So I use that in the pasta sauce as well. I got a pretty good amount of portions. The portion up there that has no sauce on it, I'm going to do a dinner with the Alfredo sauce that I have, and so freaking good. Here is the taco meat, like I said, and I use that throughout the week, as you'll see on my salads. So here is what the meal prep looks like. I did some corn on the cob and green beans, which are both 0 points. You can add any type of vegetable, but these containers right here are just perfect for meal prep. Just sets you up for success, like I said. So I didn't end up filming how I made the pancakes because I just had to rush and make these super fast, but these are what I ended up using for my protein pancakes for breakfast, as you all see. And I really like this vegan powder, the iced oatmeal cookie. This brand, the First Form brand, is so amazing, and I love their vegan protein powder. I use the Lily's dark chocolate chips, and I love me a good protein pancake for the morning. So that is it for this video. Pretty simple, but I hope it gives you somewhat of an idea. I really love pasta, and you can still eat what you love on Weight Watchers. You just have to eat it in moderation and not eat too much of it. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.